Today, we are learning English outside, not in a classroom, not only from books, but from really life. When I walk on the street, I can see many useful words around me: cars, buses, buildings, trees, shops, people, stairs, and the sky. This is a simple way to learn English. You look around, you notice things, and you try to name them in English. For example, this is a street, this is a trees, that is a building, and people are walking. English is everywhere. You just need to open your eyes, look around, and learn one new word every day. And as we keep walking, we find every more English words around us. First, we are outside on the sidewalk. People are walking, cars and buses are moving, and the traffic light is changing. Then we go down the stairs into the underground passage. Here you can learn words like stairs, handrail, wall, entrance, and corridor. Step by step, the street becomes a shopping area. We can see shops, glass doors, bright lights, shelves, products, and display windows. This is why I like learning English outside. Every place gives you something new. You don't need a perfect classroom. You just need to look around and ask yourself, what is this in English? A door, a shop, a bus, a person, a street, a light. Notice these small things every day, and it slowly becomes part of your daily life. Inside the mall, we can learn words like clothing store, t-shirts, jackets, shoes, display windows, lights, and sell things. Even a simple shopping mall can become an English lesson. And now we are back outside. Here we can see the street again: trees, buildings, shop windows, glass doors, people walking, and cars moving. This is the best part of learning English in real life. Every place gives you new words. You don't need to memorize everything from a notebook. Just look around, notice one thing, say it in English, and repeat it. A tree, a window, a door, a person, a street, a shop. When you connect English with real life, it becomes easier to remember. After the mall, we are back outside, and now we pass by a beautiful church. Here we can learn words like church, tower, dome, stone wall, courtyard, trees, branches, and old building. Even a quiet place like this can teach us English. When you see something beautiful, try to describe it. The church is tall. The walls are made of stone. There are trees around the building. Then we continue walking and stop near a busy intersection. Here, the city gives you more everyday words: crosswalk, traffic light, road, cars, sidewalk, people waiting, and people crossing. Some people are walking, some people are talking on the phone, and some people are waiting on the light to change. This is a really life English. You look, you notice, you repeat, and little by little, English becomes part of your daily life. And thus, we continue working. The city gives you even more words to learn. We have just passed the church and the busy interaction, and now we are moving deeper into the city center. Here, everything around you can become part of our English lesson: the hotel, the street, the cars, the traffic, buildings, the shop windows, and the people walking. As we walk, we can see shops, store windows, and busy sidewalks. Some people are walking slowly, and some people are in a hurry. There is a narrow walkway. On one side, there is the road, and on the other side, there is the wall. Even a simple walk can help you learn new words. Now we are on a lively street with people, lights, and small places to stop. You can describe what you see: people walking, cars moving, shops open, and the city feeling alive. And now we are arrived at the wee wide open area. This is a starter. This and a venue. There are many people here walking, talking, and enjoying the evening. We can also see our clock, modern buildings, and long pedestrian street. It's a great place to practice everyday English. We've already seen one side of the city, but if we keep walking, it starts to look different. Sometimes the streets are smooth and easy to walk on, and sometimes they look like these broken doors and under construction. But even here, the city is still alive. A few steps later, everything changed again. There are wide streets, people crossing, cars moving, and the view of the city. I keep walking and feeling, trying to notice small things around me. Because when you learn English this way, every street becomes practical. Here you can hear the city, see the people, and feel the moment around you. Some people are cold, some people are simple, some are nice, and some feel calm. But that is what makes this interesting. We are not learning words from a book only, we are learning them from real life. A sidewalk, a crossing, a shop, a flower store, a street corner, people passing by, and little by little, ordinary places become part of your English. And as I keep walking, the city changed again. A moment ago, everything was broad and full of movement. Now, I am walking through another part of the city, with banks, shops, signs, and people around. On one side, I can see crowd, cars, buses, and traffic lights. On the other side, there are small shops, doors, windows, and street signs. This is how I learn English outside. I don't try to memorize every word at once. I just look around and connect English with real places. A sidewalk, building, shop, pharmacy, a bank, a crosswalk, a traffic light. Then I look up and see a tall buildings, another construction. Some streets are busy, some streets are quiet, some places look modern, and some feel older. But everywhere I go, there's something new to learn. Step by step, the city becomes my classroom, and English becomes part of daily life. That is it for today. One walk, many new English words. English is everywhere around you. You just need to look, notice, and repeat. Keep practice every day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.